Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepared my gum purse. The gum purse that I used for the edible flower I posted in my last video. So make sure you watch the video to the end. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, make sure to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. Subscription is free. For this gum purse, you need your icing sugar, 1 kg of icing sugar. Save half and you leave the remaining. This extra icing sugar for the kneading, I still have another extra left. So you only need your egg white. Extract the egg white, that is what we're going to use. And we'll have CMC powder, 12 teaspoons, and we'll have our Crisco, this vegetable shortening, just a tablespoon. You need it when you're kneading the gum paste. After beating your egg white, you start adding in your icing sugar. Make sure to save your icing sugar to avoid lumps. So and start adding bit by bit as you stir. Already exhausted the half and I noticed it's still looking watery, so I needed to add more icing sugar. So like I said, I have 2 different leftover for this icing sugar. I still have the remaining in the bag. So take your time and you keep mixing. When the dough is looking sticky, you can bring it out on your work surface and you start kneading. When it's looking a bit sticky, okay, right now I'll add in my CMC powder. Add little at a time and you add in at the same time. Incorporate everything together. You keep mixing. If it's looking sticky, it's still looking a bit watery, so I'll add extra icing sugar before I pour out on my work surface and start kneading. Rub your vegetable chutney on your hands and you use it to start kneading it. Take your time to do this till it's looking firm. You can tie it. It's right to start using the next day. You can use it that day, but you have to wait for hours for it to rest. But I used mine the next day. You can see is ready. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. To my old subscribers, I welcome you once again. Thank you so much for coming around. Don't forget to like my video. It's important you click on the like button, like my video, appreciate this video, and also invite a friend to this channel. Don't forget, as I said before, give me some thumbs up. Right now I'm adding colors to it. You can add colors. This is the next day. You can see it's looking so dried out, so I'll be adding the colors that I'll be using. Take your time, add your desirable color, and you start using instantly. I add my color the day I'm using it, so you can add your color immediately and you start using. Wow, you can see how beautiful our gum purse is looking. So you can start molding your flowers. If you want to see how I molded my flowers, make sure to go to my channel. I'll put the link on the description box below so that you will also learn how to mold edible flower. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.